over 8 hours since a massive fire broke out at Wang Fuk Court in Hong Kong's Typhoon district, a blaze now described as worst in 63 years. The deadly inferno had already claimed at least 44 lives, while more than 270 people remain missing.
Today at about 2:51, we received a report stating that there was a fire at Guangchang House, and after 5 minutes, we arrived at scene. We also found that the fire was spreading to nearby buildings and spreading inside the buildings. So we immediately carried out our firefighting and rescue operation. Because the temperature in the fire scene is very high, so we decided to upgrade the fire to number 5 alarm fire so that we can have more resources to deal with the situation. Besides, the temperature inside the buildings concerned are very high, so it's quite difficult for us to enter the building and go upstairs to conduct firefighting and rescue operation.
The fire erupted in a large housing complex consisting of 8 31-story tower blocks. 7 of these towers have been affected. The fire erupted at 2:51 p.m. on Wednesday. According to local media, the fire intensified rapidly. By 3:34, it had reached a level 4 alarm, and by 6:22 p.m., it had reached a level 5 alarm, the highest alert level in Hong Kong. According to 2021 census, the estate contains 1984 apartments, home to roughly 4,600 residents. Built in 1983, the building were undergoing renovation at the time of the incident. Local media report that the fire began on the bamboo scaffolding outside one of the towers. Bamboo scaffolding, used widely in Hong Kong, burns easily. Once ignited, flames shot up the exterior and then leapt across to neighboring towers. The towers were fully wrapped in green construction netting, which also caught fire and allowed the blaze to travel vertically at alarming speed. A preliminary probe has found that the speed to be usually rapid, with Hong Kong's security noting that polystyrene used around windows, a highly flammable material, worsened the situation. Compounding the crisis, Hong Kong has been under a heightened fire alert since Monday due to extremely dry weather. Local media also reported explosions inside the building, with firefighters unable to reach the upper floors as flames and heat intensified. Deputy Fire Services Director Derek Armstrong Chan said the extreme heat was preventing firefighters from entering the towers for rescue operations.
We found that one of the buildings not affected by the fire. We found the styrofoam installed outside the window, on each floor near the lift lobby. And everyone knows this material is inflammable material, right? And could potentially escalate the spread of fire. And it's suspected it may be one of the causes to cause the fire and the spread of fire so quickly.
At present, 767 firefighters, 128 fire engines, 57 ambulances and some 400 police officers are deployed to take control over fire. Meanwhile, 900 plus residents have taken shelter in temporary facilities. Hospitals report 66 people admitted, with 17 in critical and 24 in serious condition.